Turn the stupid things off. What cave have you guys been living in? And we're the idiots? Relax, I'm just kidding. Well, duh. Why would you want to do something like that? Makes sense. Things are not equal. Hey, it could happen. There is a subset of our population, concentrated, although not exclusively in British Columbia, who seem to have it in for the internal combustion engine. They don't want any trucks, they don't want any cars, they don't want any steamships, they don't want any oil imported from Alberta. They want everything to be clean. The cars will all be powered by the sheer force of intellectual might. But BC now has the highest gasoline prices of any province, aided partially by a tax they have there, and by the fact that Alberta, which does have the oil, decided to close the pipelines down a little bit. Price goes up, that should help, shouldn't it? And now those same people are whining about the price of gasoline. Well, you can't have it both ways, people. It's got to be one way or the other. Now, frankly, I have long said that gasoline is too inexpensive. Yes, me saying gasoline's too cheap. If gasoline were more expensive, people would drive less. More importantly, they'd buy more fuel-efficient cars. From an environmental point of view, as I've said a million times on this show, the tailpipe emissions from a modern car are typically cleaner than the air going in. So what I'm saying to these people, A, be consistent, and B, when you come up with a position, try for once to have science on your side. I'm Jim Kenzie.